So, the seagulls are up to something. Before you say, Dean, you're losing your mind, hear me out and buckle up for some crazy shit. Seagull Encounter 1. It all began in the early months of 2023, Merimbula, New South Wales, Australia. A chill beach sesh was interrupted by at least 10 seagulls, all standing still, pointing in the exact same direction. Black Parade may or may not have been heard at the time. Seagull Encounter 2. Melbourne Cruise Ship Terminal. March 2023. Over 50 seagulls were huddled in one location, all pointing the same way. A different direction to Encounter 1, but still strange nonetheless. Seagull Encounter 3. The most recent encounter. January 2024. North Island, New Zealand. At least 5 seagulls, frozen to the spot, all looking in the same direction yet again. Different to the first two, but they were obviously looking at something. What does this mean for this investigation? Well, just hang in there a bit longer and the truth will come to light. See this map of Oceania and be amazed. Encounter 1. The seagulls are looking along this line to the southwest. Encounter 2. North. Encounter 3. East. These perfectly line up to form a triangle in East Gippsland, Victoria. What is there that they are so interested in? Let's find out. I knew it. Aliens. Or is it something more sinister?